But
what do you want to do?
you're not going to put a fringe in.
Okay.
I've done it and I've grown it back out. I cannot stand it. I will always tuck it behind my ears and it has to be out of the way. Can't stand it on my face.
Okay.
Looking for a cut, because it's due a cut. I know that. I've had quite a lot of hair loss recently, but that's because I had a lot of stress this year. Never blow dry it, or very, very rarely. So I just want to wash it and be able to leave it.
This is the natural texture?
It's got leave-in conditioner, a little bit, tiny little bit.
Rough dry after a shower?
No, don't even dry it.
Okay, so just
Go out wet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Really low maintenance.
Yeah, you told me earlier you had going to a hair salon, so that's...
I hate coming. I hate it. It's not my thing.
All right, okay.
I'd rather be on a bike or swimming or... So I swim.
I should get you out of here as soon as possible.
No. It doesn't have to be as quick as a T transition. My coach won't get angry with me if it takes us a little bit
don't
longer.
worry, it's okay.
I haven't had it coloured since January, but I use purple shampoo to just tone it down. I actually bought a purple, really treatment mask and ended up with purple hair. It took up the colour so much. But anyway, luckily that did wash out. So it probably, well, I don't know.
When's the last time you cut your hair?
About 6 weeks ago. It has grown quite a bit. This is about the maximum I can get it to, but it's still too long now because I have lost quite a lot.
Do you just tuck it behind your ears, or do you tie it back?
If it's shorter, then I will just tuck it behind my ears.
Which one you prefer more? To put it in a ponytail,
well,
or you tuck it behind your ears? It's just got
to be, which do I prefer more? Probably tuck behind my ears.
Tuck it behind your ears.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's even if I've had it longer. So at the moment I'm not wearing it down.
Okay.
I have had a bob, sort of chin length bob, and that looks quite nice. But it's then, that's when I used to blow dry. I can't be bothered to do that now.
Okay. Which lens you're comfortable with today?
What am I comfortable with?
Do you have a plan on what you want?
No, I came to you. You're the expert. Are you?
Yeah, I need your feedback. Looks like you know what you want, so I want your inputs on this before I tell you what.
I don't know. Probably to take off at least that much, I guess.
Inch and a half. So when you done it 6 weeks ago, it was still look quite long for you, or you were happy with that?
Sorry.
When you've done your hair when you cut your hair 6 weeks ago, and when you left the salon.
Yeah.
When you've done it somewhere else, when you left the salon, did you feel that the lens was still?
It still looked okay, but in the last 6 weeks, I've really lost. I've had it shedding. I would love to have my husband's haircut.
Is it like mine or
exactly? But he won't let me. He will not let me. I said, can't I have a buzz cut? But he won't let me because that would be so low maintenance.
I know, it's just wash and go. It's
so
the
envious,
easiest.
Honestly. You guys, you don't know how lucky you are.
I cut my hair like this when I was 19 actually.
Yeah.
And since then, I never looked back. I mean, I had a baldness, but not as much as now.
Yeah.
But since then, I'm like, you know what?
Yeah.
I don't want to bother myself with any maintenance.
Yeah.
Okay. So
but this will never grow any longer. I have tried.
It is growing. Look how much growth you had.
Yeah, but it just doesn't.
It's breaking very fast. The speed of breakage faster than the speed of growth.
But I've always had that. Probably because I keep tucking it behind my ears.
First thing usually I look at when I want to go slightly shorter at the back to give you kind of a low maintenance haircut is what's still left at the front to represent the haircut.
Yeah.
So if I'm gonna go almost an inch off, means we're finishing with this kind of length, which is not bad. You'll be able to tuck it behind your ears.
Yeah.
And you will end up with this kind of length.
Yep, that's okay.
Which is good because it's going to do two things for me. The first one, that the area where your head at the back sticks out a little bit, all the hair below it, it's quite thick.
Yeah.
And it hangs and it has a bit of wave to it, which makes it actually out of control. So that's why when the hair gets longer, you feel like, you know, it's kicking out, it's going in all directions, and it's never sitting well. Even when you tuck it behind your ears, you feel like it's messy.
I don't mind messy.
Okay, the minute we go, but that's happening not from
Yeah.
the top visible layer, it's coming only from
underneath, yeah.
So when we go maybe 1.5 inches shorter,
Yeah.
you're gonna get things under control at the part that you can't control.
Yeah, okay.
That's gonna help you as well to get rid of a good amount of the damage
Yeah.
ends, so the ends will feel fuller. Now, the minute those thin ends goes away, your hair should start sitting nicer because it's fuller, it's healthier, and the amount of gaps are not there anymore.
Yeah,
so the hair will hold to itself to sit properly. I know you mentioned earlier you don't want anything shorter on the face, but now the hair is cutting off by itself. So we're not gonna go short, I promise you. You already made it clear for me. So I'm just wondering if we wanna make this part recover, what we should do. I mean,
Yeah,
and you do have this kind of kick inside, okay. Because if you want to tuck it behind your ears, means this is the
or I have used a clip. I will clip it.
hair clip.
Little, one of those mini clips. Or a hairband. Or hair sunglasses.
Okay, so let me do this. I will start with a cut. I will go with 1.5 inches, connect a cut. Maybe, if you would allow me, I will give you a tiny bit of layer on the top.
Okay.
Because the more I can take off from the top, the recovery will be faster.
Okay.
The front, I will just clean it up, then we discuss while I'm cutting.
Yeah.
What's my options?
Okay.
All right. What limitation you can give me?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Deal. But asymmetrical, yeah, I've done that in the past. At my age, I've done everything.
You gonna do that?
No.
Yeah.
No.
I like it one then.
Yeah.
All right. To break down the price so you understand what is what.
Okay.
All right.
Super. Thank you.
Any other question? Clear?
Yeah. No, it's clear.
All right. Perfect.
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. What do you think?
Well, it looks a
More
lot better.
clean?
Yeah. Well, that wasn't going to be difficult.
That's all right. Don't worry. I'm used to many requests with a lot of clients. Your requests are actually pretty good.
Okay.
Now, I kept the front as you wished.
Yes.
I managed to shift the cut pretty much at the back.
Yeah.
Because the minute I shift it up, you won't feel like there's a huge amount of hair hanging at the back, and which gonna expose actually what's going on at the front. So now everything's almost one length.
Yeah.
So when you combine it together, somehow the front, it doesn't look as thin.
Yeah.
Anyway, you're gonna end it up still tucking it behind your ears.
Yeah.
So I needed as well for that reason to shift the length up. We cut it at the beginning maybe an inch longer.
It's better when it sits at your length. Yeah. Because it's now coming through lighter grey on the top.
You just need a little bit more grey.
Yeah, I know. I've been waiting for it.
You need more grey. I promise you, the more grey. Yeah.
Because it's white here.
Yeah, you need it similar to these chunks.
I know, and
the more
it's
you
blending
here,
now.
Even your grey here at this side, as a color, is way nicer than the bleach they're done for you.
Yeah.
So imagine you have more of those everywhere.
Yeah.
So you just gotta keep praying. Okay. Long and sit well.
Yeah.
And hopefully, if we are very careful with your highlight in the future, you should be able to get this thickness to reflect on the ends.
Okay. Yeah. When would you suggest? How long? How many weeks to go for the color?
I would say leave it for another 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
Because when we do our highlight, we don't do it from the roots.
Yeah.
Because the minute you do it from the roots, you're not able to do something as a low maintenance because you cannot see. But when you do highlight from the roots, regardless of the density, you don't know, is it going to blend with the future roots or not? But when we start our highlight, literally from here.
Yep.
So we leave around 1
Leave
centimeter.
1 centimeter, yeah, root, yeah,
Means the minute you leave the salon,
yeah,
you're gonna see the connection right away with the roots that has no highlight.
yeah,
But in order for me to deliver this service, I need a good bigger roots.
a bigger, longer,
So instead
okay.
of having, imagine,
That's-
this is your dark roots now.
That's 5 months.
This is your dark roots.
Yeah.
I cannot touch this because I need it to
Yes,
be,
so you can only do a tiny
then I
little
have
bit.
only this left.
Yes.
So I need double of this amount.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you have to come to me with this much of darkness.
Yeah.
You combine it with the part that I'm not gonna touch, means I need another maybe. Then when we do it, you're gonna walk out of here instantly with the darker roots.
Yeah.
That's gonna connect for minimum 6 months with the
Yeah.
freshly grown.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I know the lens looks actually beautiful. The other side. Yeah, it looks so elegant. You look amazing.
Thank you very much.
Darling. You look amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.